this is the second time I'm doing this video. I went to edit it and half of the video was there, and I don't know what happened to like when I was actually swatching the lipstick. So these are the new Wet n Wild Cloud Pout Marshmallows Lip Mousse. I have two shades to try for you here. These retail for $4.99, and I have here the shade Love You Smore, and we have Marsh to My Mellow. Is a color that I'm eyeing. So beautiful. Is called Fluffernutter. The other one is called Cloud Chaser, and I could keep going. There's another one called Girl You're Whipped. I love whipped formulas. The other one that I've tried is the one from Stila, the Stay All Day. That's another whipped formula, and I've raved about those lipsticks so much. I just love how it feels. The Wet n Wild Cloud Pout Lip Mousse is light as a cloud, soft, matte, buildable, and blendable, with nourishing argan oil, avocado oil, and vitamin E, as well as bouncy marshmallow powder and sweet marshmallow scent. We have many shades to choose from, so I'm going to start with this shade here. I'll do the swatch so you can see. So this is no longer first impressions. I did try this before. Here is the shade. These things smell so delicious. I don't know how it smells like marshmallow. To me, it just smells like something absolutely delicious. Here's your other shade. And they say it's buildable. Definitely is buildable. Will not be transfer proof. They're a nice matte without feeling drying on the lips. This is Love You Smore. So here we go. So you see, like, it's pigmented, but not like, oh wow, I'm only gonna need one swatch. That all depends, like, how dark do you want it to be? Maybe this is enough for you. So I'm just saying that you can build it up. Kind of can still see through. The applicator is interesting. I don't know if you can see it. You see that? So that's just an interesting shape. Like that part there's just like shaved off. Apply now. So I just turned it like this, so the tip, I'm using it to like line my lips. See, like with one application, it's alright. But I just feel the need like to keep going over it. I'm just gonna apply one more time so you can see like how dark can it get. This is the color that is showing. Here's with one pass. It makes the lips look so beautiful. Like, oh my god. Super moisturizing. And even though it says matte, like, I don't feel like it's like super matte. You have a little bit of shine there. So I'm just gonna go one more time. I also turned it around here. So you see the difference, right? From the top to the bottom. Yeah, very pretty. The only thing, if you're looking for something like transfer proof or anything like that, this is not going to be the one. This is very moisturizing, so once you drink something, it's going to transfer. It's not going to dry down any more than this. What do you think? And let's remove it just so you can see. I just have like this little wipe. Easy wet wipe. Go ahead and apply this one, Marsh to My Mellow. This is such a gorgeous shade. Let me smell it again. It's like really easy. Like, if you have dry lips, I don't think this is gonna be a problem, the formula. It's not gonna like emphasize dry lips. And the packaging is really cute. See? I can see like this white maybe getting dirty, like inside your makeup bag or something, maybe. My stuff does sometimes, but it's gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, let me know which shade is your favorite. And let me know if you try that shade Fluff or Nutter. What do you think? Like, is it as beautiful as it looks like online? Let me know. I'm sure you can do this with any shade. I just tried it with this one and I was obsessed. So, take a tissue and just... Okay, like blot, like this. Again. And that's it. And I like it like this. You know, now there's like no shine. It looks very nice. Now I feel like it won't transfer as much. And the color, you know, it's giving me a really nice color to the lips. Let me think. Do you like how it looks like this? I like it. I like it, definitely. So, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.